And whenever a lot of what we hear about AI is a lot of value is going to come out of this boring workflows. And we are all curious about workflow. Can you give us an example of among the most boring workflows you have come across?
For me, the whole agents thing is a boring thing. I know everyone wants to talk about it, but
Mhm.
let's dig deep into it, right? Like, what is an agent? Let's assume what is an agent. An
Yeah.
agent uh, is able to perform a task
Mhm.
based on the tools defined autonomously. Like that could be one, definition. So if I keep that definition and like let's just do a standard business, right? So let's do like a legal contract analysis. If there is a legal contract and you want to do an analysis using an AI agent application, assume it has three agents. One is to understand the document and maybe create a summarization, and then the second is to provide suggestions based on that summarization, and then the third one is probably like create an email for asking further clarification. So there are three agents, like
Mhm.
assume this is happening. How would you define it in the backend? So this is the definition. And how would you design it in the backend? You probably have three different agents doing the things. And when I think about this architecture, right, why do I say it is boring? Or, you know, it's the same thing which we have always done is a long ago, so long ago, I'm sure, Binny, you and I probably know this, is we were all in a world of monolithic architectures, where we were like, you know what, one application is going to do everything. And that's what we were. And then we went to this path of, doing the rest, so kind of things. And then we went to microservices architecture. And microservices became the big thing. Like everyone wants to do microservices. And what did we do? What are the challenges we encountered with microservices? We wanted to, approach the problem of how do you discover, how do you scale, how do you, cluster, what are the, Kubernetes became the king of the world. They were able to, implement it, containerize it, bring it together. Tell me how different this is from an agentic architecture. It's the same. Like you are decomposing the problem into smaller problems, and then you are creating what we are calling as agent, that is essentially an LLM call with a certain set of tools in getting that. It's the same architecture as what we did before.